guys, welcome to Photoshop in 5 minutes with me, Michael Turney. I'm just going to show you a few cool tips and tricks in Photoshop in under 5 minutes. If you go up here and go File, Open, Control N is a shortcut, select your image and click Open here, or you can basically find it in a folder and drag it in. There's a quick way of doing it. First of all, you want to get rid of this lock, so double click that and click OK. Now it's gone. Go Image, Adjustments and Levels, Control and L is a shortcut. This is kind of the main kind of section, the main menu we'll be talking about today. Basically to bring the dark bits out, so to give it a bit more tonal value, bring the dark pointer in, and the same with the white point as well, bring that in. It just makes the light bits lighter, dark bits darker, so you can preview it before and after. You can see, look, it's just bringing out the colour a bit more. Keep that. Next one, Image, Adjustments and Hue and Saturation. Control and U is the shortcut for that one. The hue, again, you can get some crazy colours out of this if you want to play with that, but we'll keep that at 0 for now. And the saturation, you can bring that out and just give it a bit more colour, do you know what I mean? A bit of soul. Or you can pull it right down, get some grayscale, so some black and white photography, kind of traditional stuff. Or if you can click Colorize here, and just bring the hue to around about an orange there, and saturation down, kind of gives you a nice kind of sepia look. So you can click OK to keep that, or cancel. Next is Adjustments and Curves. So Image, Adjustments, Curves, Control and M is the shortcut. And just to give I don't know, a bit more colour to the darker parts where it's just black, you can pull the red. So if you're selecting your colour channel of colour, so say red, and you want to add a bit more red colour to the dark points, you can see it kind of coming through. And again, you can start selecting colours and playing with these, kind of how you see fit. Blue, bring the blue out a bit more blue to it. And you can see before and after, and it just softens the image and brings it kind of back together. That's quite nice. And then if you can right click Free Transform, this is basically, say your image is kind of offset and you want to kind of line it back up or scale it. You can have a scale it just by dragging one of the points, so hold Alt and scale it, and it scales from the center point. And if you hold Shift, it basically scales it but keeps the ratio. So that's holding Alt and Shift together. That does both of them. Control and Z is back, so you can click off it and don't apply. So Control and Z is always a good one, like an undo. If you want to crop this, so say you want to upload it to Instagram or something, you can grab your crop tool, which is here. And yeah, just grab your crop tool like that, select it kind of wherever you want. If you go up here and click, where is it, 1 square is what you want, and then it turns it to a square, and then just line it up kind of in the centre, wherever you're happy. Oops, I'm knocking a button up there. And then once you're happy, click on another tool, so click off that and click crop. There we are. Now it's cropped it and you're ready for Instagram. If you're saving the images, a good way to save it, if you go File, instead of Save or Save As, if you go Save for Web, there's a shortcut there, Save for Web, and then this kind of menu will pop up. So you can just go Fit to Screen, just so you can see it. And yeah, JPEG, high, so keep this here. And you can save, like, the file will be quite a low file size as opposed to, obviously, if you're just saving it as a normal JPEG. You can go to image size here and go 1000, so it'll be 1000 square, and you can see it'll be 250 50 kilobytes, so it'll be quite a small image. And then save, resave it, square, like that, save, and there's your image saved and ready to upload. There we are, guys, hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips, tricks and shortcuts. And if you have a spare minute, please visit my website at turney.tv. And if you like any cool pics and videos, follow me on Instagram at .turney.tv. Thanks for watching.